Wheesearch Beauty is a beauty platform that combines your favorite beauty vloggers, personalized makeup info, responsible shopping, and a community that celebrates universal beauty. We are a group of makeup passionistas that believe in the transformative power of makeup.
Today's a big day for us. After more than 1 year, we are officially sharing Wheesearch Beauty with the world. You might ask yourself, what is Wheesearch Beauty? Wheesearch Beauty is a beauty platform that combines beauty vloggers and videos that you love with personalized makeup info. We believe in responsible shopping where you can find what works for you, quickly and easily.
We believe in the power of easily finding the makeup that works best for your complexion, sensitivities, and preferences. I just swipe, click, and find what works for me.
We believe that together we can stop unwanted products from ending up in landfills and harming the environment. A few swipes and you can find what works for you.
We believe in a community that celebrates universal beauty. Everyone has the right to be their most beautiful selves, and together we can empower, educate, and inspire each other.
Here at Wheesearch, we provide honest reviews. Any brand, any video, anytime. Simply create a free account and start finding.